Hello, this is Opinion Radar. Now, if you spend any time in a workshop or even just tackle a few home repairs, you know the value of having the right tool for the job. But sometimes, the real magic happens when one tool can do dozens of jobs, especially when it fits right in your hand. Today, we're looking at the Dremel 4300 Versatile Rotary Tool Kit, a complete corded powerhouse setup that's built for tinkerers, fixers, and makers of all kinds. I've spent the last few weeks putting it through its paces on everything from old hardware restorations to fine woodcraft, and I've got some real-world thoughts to share. At $176, it's not an impulse buy, but what you get is a full system: motor, flex shaft, a rugged case, and a small army of accessories. This isn't just a tool, it's a workshop companion. So, if you ever wish for more precision, more control, or just a smarter way to handle those small, fiddly jobs, stick around. Let's see if this Dremel kit lives up to the legacy. Now, I've been around the block a few times when it comes to tools, and let me tell you, a good rotary tool is one of those things that quietly earns its place in the workshop. The Dremel 4300, this one with the flex shaft, attachments, and a whole drawer's worth of bits, has found a solid spot on my workbench. I've had Dremels before, the cordless ones, the older models, but this corded version, it's a real upgrade. The motor's got serious guts. I've used it to carve into hardwood, grind down a bit of metal on an old hinge, and even do some light engraving on a custom plaque for my grandson. It runs smooth, starts up quick, and at variable speed, 5,000 to 35,000 revolutions per minute, lets you dial in exactly what you need. Whether you're easing into a delicate etch or powering through a tougher cut, it handles it without stuttering. And after years of dealing with battery anxiety on cordless tools, I'll tell you, being plugged in means you're always ready to go. No charging, no waiting. Just flip the switch and get to work. One thing that really stands out is the flex shaft attachment. Now, if you've never used one, picture this. It turns your Dremel into something like a high-speed pencil you can guide with real precision. I've used it for trimming tight spots inside a cabinet frame and cleaning up some detailed inlay work on a walnut box. It takes a bit of getting used to. Don't go full throttle right out of the gate. But once you got the feel for it, it's a game changer for fine detail work. And they didn't skimp on the case, either. It's like one of those old school mechanics roll carts, but for a rotary tool. Everything has its place: bits, sanding bands, polishing wheels, cutters, neatly tucked in, easy to find. I've lost track of how many times I've tossed a loose bit into a junk drawer only to never see again. Not here. This setup keeps me organized, and I appreciate that more than I used to when I was younger. Now, let's be real. This isn't a tool you're pulling out to tear down a wall or cut plywood. It's for the little things, the precision jobs. I recently fixed up an old brass lamp, cleaned the threads with a wire brush bit, and polished the finish with a felt wheel and some compound. Took me about 40 minutes, and it looked like it came fresh from the shop. I've also used it to route out a shallow channel for a wire in a bookshelf. Careful, slow work, but it got the job done without marring the surface. I've even seen folks use these for model building, jewelry work, or cleaning up welds. The attachments that come with it, 9 of them, open up all sorts of possibilities. I haven't used them all yet, but just knowing they're there gives you confidence to take on projects you might have passed on before. That said, it's not without its quirks. At the higher speeds, there's a fair bit of vibration. Nothing dangerous, mind you, but you can feel in your hand after a while. I'll admit, I used to run mine for longer stretches than I should, especially when I was doing that vinyl flooring job back in the day. Over an hour straight, poor little motor was screaming. Burned out my last one, truth be told. So now I've learned to give it breaks, especially during heavy tasks. It's not a die grinder, and treating it like one will only shorten its life. Also, the noise. It does sound like a dentist drill. I keep a pair of safety glasses and ear protection nearby, and I always tell my grandson the same when he's using it, which reminds me, safety first. Always wear protection. A tiny bit of metal, or with kicked up at that speed is nothing to mess with. One thing I really like is how easy it is to swap bits. They included a handy chuck adapter, and between that and the collet system, changing from a grinding stone to a sanding band takes seconds. No fumbling with tiny wrenches or getting your fingers pinched. And if you're serious about using it regularly, do yourself a favor, pick up the drill press mount. I did. And now I got a mini drill press for small parts, plus a safe place to hang the flex shaft when I'm done. Doubles the value, in my opinion. I've used it to drill precise holes in plastic and thin metal, something that would have been shaky freehand, but dead on steady in the press. At around $176, it's not exactly pocket change, but when you consider what you're getting, the tool, the motor, the flex shaft, the case, and over 60 accessories, it feels like a solid investment. My last Dremel lasted me over a decade, and I treated it like a rental. This one's built just as tough, maybe better. I expect I'll pass this down to one of the kids eventually. It's that kind of tool, something you don't buy every year, but one you rely on for years. Whether you're a weekend tinkerer, a woodworker, or just someone who likes to fix things around house, the Dremel 4300 kit is versatile, dependable, and well worth having in your arsenal. Not flashy at all, but get one, and you'll wonder how you manage without it. Well, if you've made it this far, you're clearly serious about doing things right. And so am I. If you enjoyed this no-nonsense look at a tool that earns its keep, do me a favor. Give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe. Let's keep building something sturdy together. One smart tool, one solid review at a time.